Over 3 months ago, I decided to buy eBay spec coilovers for my 2003 Toyota Corolla. Due to the weather and other reasons, I've been unable to install them until now. This video is not sponsored in any way, so I will be able to give honest opinions and a review based on the reality of the product. Though, if any companies do want to sponsor this build, please hit your boy up. So welcome to I Bought eBay Coilovers and Tested Them So You Don't Have To. In this mini-series, I will be documenting the installation of the coilovers and doing a few tests on them, as well as adding something new to the Corolla. I bought this car back in September of 2019 with almost 278,000 miles, and I've been wanting to modify it ever since. How much I'll do modification-wise, I don't really know, but I do know that it'll be a fun experience, and I hope that all of you will enjoy watching it. So, without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Oh, we did it! Look at that. Finally got that nut off. Now, question is, here we go, look at that. We did it. Finally, after, way too long of trying to get that. Oh well. 300,000 miles, almost. So, yeah. Alrighty. Now, got to get this bugger off. Then it's on to the big ones. And then we can get the ones up top off. And then we'll be able to put in the other side. There we go. Alrighty, here we go, shoot. Alright, now got that off. Now it's time for these big ones. Alright, luckily the way this is situated should be able to use the breaker bar on it. Oh shoot, this is the wrong thing. So you, yes. Oh yeah, it's breaker bar time. There it goes. Crackle pop. Yep. Oops. Fender. Well, that's fine. It just kind of like folds itself. You get it? Yeah, it broke. I just kind of had to Once it's onto the caliper, it's fine. So they just kind of fold it back,
yeah.
but whatever. Success is out. All right. All right, so this is technically my second time opening these, but actually no, it's my third time because we had to open them yesterday, but I retaped them back shut to simulate the first time opening them. These are the maxspeedingrods 0308 Corolla Coil-overs. They got some transmission fluid on them, so it comes with a little packet of what I'm guessing is warranty, then the guide, I think, but so yeah, that's these. Comes with your wrenches, and then this, I believe, is your front coil-over here. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna compare it to the stock one to try and get about the same ride height, and then I'm gonna put the used new top hats that I got onto it, and then we can stick it in the car. So yeah, they're blue. I think for the older generation Corollas, they have a different color. They have a yellow one, but for the 0308, this is what you get. So yeah, let's get to that. Just jack that up a bit. Oops. Okay, go a bit more. Okay, and then it's there. Oh, huh, no. Yeah, I didn't think that would do anything. Alright, well that's a problem. I don't know if you guys can see it, so I will just use my phone. So basically what's going on here is the tie rod, or not tie rod, sway bar link does not reach where it's supposed to go up here. So basically that's bad. So after some quick thinking by my dad, used the floor jack to jack up this side of the sway bar link so we can put it in, and now I just gotta put this one down as far as it'll go, and also probably tighten off that, and then it'll be good, hopefully. Sorry if this is a little bit shaky. So okay. And if I remember right, stock one didn't fit. Oh, it does with this one. Alright, this is probably a little bit bad, but I am trying to get the nut into this thing right here, and it is like just barely unable to fit, and it is very, very annoying. Ugh. Man, that is a tough bolt. I have this on here, I got tie rod on, and then hopefully everything works. I mean, it should, but we'll see. I'm just gonna, I don't really think this has gotta go on there too much more, but I'll give it a few more turns just in case. But yeah, I will catch you guys back after it's done in a while. So yeah, we'll see you later. Alright, so day one update. You got driver's side done. Kind of see it. And then over here on the passenger side, no such luck. Ended up breaking two tools trying to break off these two bolts, and then just barely got off the sway bar linkage. I'll have to get new ones of those just because the Allen key in that one is just completely stripped out. So I think I will just end up getting a whole new one, just cause. And but yeah, that's the day one update, and yeah, guess I will see you guys next video. Peace.